Hey guys, today I'll be covering the basics of 3DSMax and some techniques to speed up your modeling and design process within 3DSMax. So to start, so Control S, that's going to be your key to save, a great way to make backups. And if you want to make an actual backup that's separate from the file you're currently on, you just click on this file at the top left and then click Save As. So next, on this right here, you've got different shape options that you can create, as well as some other different subheadings below that. But you'll be using this quite a lot. Up the top here, you've got your primary keys. So it's W to select, E to rotate. You've got S to scale, R to scale, and W to move. And you'll be going through these a lot. If you hold down these keys, or double tap these keys, or hold down left click on these keys, you'll get a few different options that they can provide. If you press A while rotating, especially, you'll notice that you'll be rotating in increments rather than just randomly. So right now, if I rotate, it's just all over the place. If I press A, it'll allow me to rotate in increments of 5, which is extremely handy. Alright, if you press 7 on your keyboard, you'll see all the information you might need. So this will give you a polygon count, which is really handy for heavy scenes if you're trying to keep polygons to a certain level so your computer isn't struggling. If you hold down left alt and middle mouse button, you'll be able to rotate your screen. Left control and left alt allows you to pan in and out. And left alt and middle mouse button allows you to just pan the screen around. Middle mouse button by itself allows you to pan the screen around. So it'll be your main movement keys within the system. If you press Z, you'll snap to whatever object you're clicked on. You'll be able to rotate around it. If you haven't selected any objects in the scene, I'll quickly add another object to show. It will it'll snap to every object in the scene and it will frame all of them for you. So really handy if you ever get lost while modeling. Alright. So if you press F3 on your keyboard, you'll swap your view to wireframe, which can be really handy if you're trying to select things behind the object you're looking at. If you press F4, you'll turn on edged faces, which is again really handy if you're trying to manipulate objects without going into wireframe mode. On top of this, if you're looking to undo anything you've done, it's Control Z, and if you're looking to redo, it's Control Y, and then the delete key, obviously, to delete things. So with your viewports themselves, the options are at the top left here, or there are keybinds as well. So P for perspective, U for ortho, T for top, L for left, and that kind of gist. It's all quite explanatory. These are really handy when you're trying to do precise actions, so you can quickly swap between perspective and top view. Yep, you can just see that being used here. Alright, and if you press left alt and W, you're going to enlarge your current viewport, and vice versa. Or you can also click the plus up here, and you can enlarge the active viewport that way. Other things of note, left shift and J will add your bounding box. Left alt and Q will isolate whatever you've selected. And G will hide that grid that you notice underneath your objects. Aside from that, that's pretty much everything that you'll need to start. Hope this helped.